Okay, so moving on to activity 14. I'm just going to give you some possible answers here. You could have written a number of things, but im Kaufhaus, I'll just say, ist die Auswahl, that's not an L, ist die Auswahl groß. So in the department store, the selection is big. The next one, diese Kleidungsstücke stehen Steffi gut. So this clothing fits Steffi well. So it's plural, which makes the en on stehen, because Steffi is not the subject. It's who the clothes are fitting. The clothes are doing the fitting. The next one, der Pulli kostet viel. Next one, die Auswahl ist, how about if we say not big, or nicht besonders, particularly. Besonders gut. Blaue und roten Hemden. How about if we use gefallen here? It's plural, that's why it's gefallen, not gefehlt. Gefallen mir. If you want to say a lot, you can say sehr. Blue and red shirts. I like blue and red shirts. Wie viel kosten die jeans? Now I will warn you here. Notice I had to put a plural because it's kosten, not kostet. So it's how much do the plural cost? How much do what else could we say? Die Hemden cost, or die Kleidungsstücke. Both of those could be plural, but it has to be plural because of the en and kosten. Next one, wenn das Wetter kühl ist, fahren wir nach Österreich. It's a mess. Sorry. Fahren wir nach Österreich. And finally, wie findest du, what could we say? Wie findest du diese Farben? How do you like these colors? Okay. All right. So that's activity 15. Let's do these first three on activity 16, and then we'll move over. So let's see. Circle the letter of the correct response to each question or statement. What do we have? Wie gefällt dir? How does he please you? Or how does it please you? That er could be referring to a masculine. Sie ist nicht zu toll. Well, it can't be sie, right? Because we've referred to it once already as an er. So we can't refer to it as a sie. Zu dunkel. How do you like it? And then you say too dark. That might work. Sie, danke nichts, thank you nothing. All right, well that doesn't answer the question. Du hast recht. You're right, that doesn't work. So the best answer to how does it please you is zu dunkel. And remember, this one, A seems like it would make sense until you realize that these two don't agree. You're referring to it as an error. So they tried to trick you there. The next one, das steht dir gut, that fits you well. Response A would be no, it's too expensive. Well, that doesn't work. B, I don't need that. C, ja, es ist nicht sehr schick. Yeah, it's not very stylish. All right, well, that doesn't make sense with that fits you well, because you're saying, yeah, it's not very stylish, unless you are, by definition, not a very stylish person. Then it might fit, but let's agree, for the purpose of argument, that it's not, which means that the only one that's going to work is this last one. Das glaube ich auch. Which I can't get my pen to work again, so there's my finger. Yep, I think that too. Glauben means to believe. Next one, wie ist die Auswahl? All right, how's the selection? Gosh, we've used this one a lot in this book. Only pink. How is the collection? How is the selection? Only pink. That kind of makes sense, but not great sense. See you later. That's the second one. No. How is the Auswahl? Really big. Well, that one definitely makes sense. And D, it has a lot of colors. Not really asking about the colors, asking about the selection and size. So good. And finally, Sie passen dir sehr gut. They fit you very well. They fit you very well. So, look what they're doing here. They're trying to get you to realize that with en on passen, you have to be looking for a plural noun here, which the only plural noun is die Jeans. Not die Hose, that's singular. Die Farbe, that's singular. Das T-shirt, that's singular. All right, that's enough of this.